Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and thank you so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. If you love cleaning videos, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. But before we jump into this cleaning video, if you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out on a lot of fun and an occasional giveaway. The link to my Instagram will be in the description below. But this cleaning video was recorded after I was released from the hospital. I was in the hospital so sick, you guys, not like with the flu or anything. I have this condition called endometriosis, which causes me a great deal of pain, and I couldn't get it under control, so I had to go to the hospital and stayed in the hospital. So of course, while I was in the hospital, my house is looking trashed. Look at all of this, you guys. So yeah, no one in my family like cleans like I do. Like they'll straighten up, but they do not clean like I do. I'm showing over here by the washer and dryer because I was going to organize it, but I ended up not doing it because I spent so much time just on cleaning the kitchen. But yeah, enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and clean out the tub that goes inside of the sink and also clean out the sink so I can go ahead and get started in wiping everything down. And I'm also going to go ahead and boil my water. If you guys been watching me for a while, you know that I like to clean with boiling hot water. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and load the dishwasher with all of the dishes that have piled up on the countertops. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray them with my water and vinegar mix. And if you guys been watching me for a while, you know that I love to spray my dishes before I start the dishwasher with water and vinegar, simply because I feel like it gives it an extra shine, and in my mind, I'm disinfecting them even more. So I'm putting on an apron because I'm about to start cleaning with bleach, and I didn't want that on any of my clothes. I'm cleaning with bleach simply because I feel like this kitchen was absolutely disgusting. It just became so filthy while I was in the hospital. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean with some bleach. So to clean out my microwave, I'm using a Grove Collaborative Concentrate all-purpose spray, and I also use a water and vinegar mix. Now I'm just removing everything off of the countertop because I want to go ahead and wipe it. I didn't want to wipe around it, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove everything except the toaster oven, simply because I can easily lift that. It's very light, but everything else I do remove. So in this brown spray bottle is the Grove Collaborative all-purpose spray. Now onto the stove. Of course, I am using my Method heavy duty degreaser. I love this stuff, you guys. Not only does it smell good, it works very well. But yeah, that's all that I'm using on my stove today. Now, what would one of my cleaning videos be without me dancing in it? So I always listen to music while I'm cleaning, and that makes me want to dance. But can I dance? No. Do I care? No. Will I continue to post me dancing in my videos? Of course. So I really want to clean up under the range hood, but I don't know what I should use. I'm thinking about using the super clean products that were sent to me. I'm not exactly sure. Let me know what you guys think I should use, if I should use the super clean stuff or if I should use something else. Now on to this dreaded table, you guys. You see all this stuff on here. I don't understand why my family cannot put stuff away, but I'm thinking about getting a smaller table simply because they pile so much crap up on here. I'm thinking if it's a smaller table, less stuff will be on it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. To clean off my table, I am using my Grove Collaborative all-purpose spray and also my water and vinegar mix. To clean off this kitchen mirror, of course, I'm using my water and vinegar mix. Now to finish off in my kitchen, I'm just going to go ahead and mop. And yes, I am mopping with steaming hot water, you guys. I feel like it kills the germs. I don't know if it does, but it makes me feel better. And all I have in my mop water is bleach and also some Lysol. That is all for this cleaning video. If you found this video motivating or enjoyed watching me clean, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend or two that may need some cleaning motivation. If you want to see more videos like this from me, then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, because I do post a cleaning video at least once a week. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.